Hi, this is Stephen Brower. This is for Office 11B. I want to show you an alternative way of getting and using the file for the assignment, and also show you a sort of like a workaround in a sense. So from the timeline, let me just start off this way. So from the timeline for the week of for week 2 for the assignment due January 30th. I'll scroll down to the session coursework, the Lab 11B. And this first link right here, this docx, this is going to be the starting file that the lab is going to have you use. And one way of bringing this file down is to pick specifically where you want to put it. So I'm going to do a right click, save link as, and what I will do is I have a working folder that I'm going to be using. I'll call it practice for here right now. But I just picked a folder where I'm going to be doing the work. Now I for my classwork, break it down by semester and class. And here, this is because I'm practicing. In terms of this file, I could, in a sense, theory, rename it and then open it. But suppose you go through the steps of the assignment and you completely mess it up. You'd have to go back to Web Study to start over. And to spare you from having to go back to Web Study to get the starting file to start over, I'm going to leave the file as is. So I'm saving the file. So I did a right click, save target as. I'm picked the folder where I want to go. And I'm clicking save, and it's saving the file into that folder. So now, from here, if I go and click on the file, it'll open it up. If you get a sort of a navigation thing, you can enable the editing. And I'm just going to close the navigation for right now. One of the steps that is in the assignment is to save it. So I'm going to do a file save as, and I'm saving it on my computer, and the current folder is practice, and that's where I'm going to save it into. And the format to be used, and this is really for my convenience to do last name, first name, is you do last name underscore first name. And please don't do Homer Simpson. This is just meant to be an example. But the 11B rehearsal dinner. And so now I am in this file, the Simpson Homer 11B rehearsal dinner file. If I completely mess up and have to start over, I don't have to go back to Web Study. I can just open that OF 11B rehearsal dinner file. So this is an alternative way of working with the file, working with the starter file, and then going further. So suppose you don't have the book yet, and you're trying to work on this assignment. Well, what I have is I added the PDF that I have here. This is a sample solution to the problem. And so let me go and open this PDF file. And this is what you want to get your document to look like. So in theory, one thing you could do is you could, lack of a better word, fake it. And what I should have mentioned what I did. I took, of these two applications, I took one and dragged to the corner, the middle and the right here. And then it basically said, we'll pick the other. Anyway, I have another video that goes through that. But what's on the right-hand side, this is what we want to eventually make it look like. On the left-hand side, this is the starting point. So if you don't have the book and it's nearing January 30th, and the assignment is due, and you're desperate and you just want to get it done, what you can do is you can eyeball. So just try to guess what these colors are. You can see that this is italics. You see that this is coming up different. You see that there's a picture here. There is at the very bottom a footer, and the footer that's here, actually let me go and do this real quick. Sorry, the footer that's here, if I do a edit footer, document info, file name, and that's how you can get the file name in. as the footer. But otherwise, again, ideal is to look at the book to see the things it's pointing out. Um, um, but if you don't have the book, this is just a way of doing it, submitting the document, and going on from there. Okay, that's enough for now.